Hi, I'm loving this book app, but I think I steered you wrong with one part of it, and it's creating this error. So I remixed it, and I built a database with 3 books in it: The Secret History, Little Brother, and The Hidden Life of Trees. All great books, by the way. I highly recommend them. And this is what's happening. So when I run and display, it works beautifully. So I just scroll through it. You've got this going. Awesome. I love that you make the right scroll arrow disappear when you're at the end, and it's beautiful. And then I go back to home, and then maybe I add a book or I do something else, and then I want to display it again, and then I run into problems. And it's basically, so now it's displaying the first book as usual correctly, but when I hit the right scroll, it tries to scroll way too far, and I get this error, and everything breaks. And I'll explain now what's happening, and then in the next video show you how to fix it. So what's happening is that the next button, the button 2, which is the next button for the display screen, is reading the records, and then it's setting the right scroll arrow, and it's incrementing the index. So what's some sophisticated computer science knowledge here is that these event listeners, this onEvent, that tells the code to register an event listener to listen for a click on button 2, or down here it's listening for a click on the right scroll arrow. But what's happening is, so let's say I run it. When I reset, run, so when I hit display the first time, it registers an event listener for this right scroll arrow. So it's listening for a click on the right scroll arrow. And it works, and it clicks, and it's awesome. And then I go back home, and then notice what happens when I hit display again, which is button 2. Then it creates another event listener for the right scroll arrow. So once I do that, and I hit display, now it's listening. When I click this right scroll arrow, there's 2 event listeners created. One from the first time I came into the display routine, and one from the second time I came in. So when I hit the arrow, it's actually going to increase the index by more than just 1. And you can see down here, this is the index right here, 3. So it was at 0 when I started, and when I clicked the index, it went all the way to 3. So that's the problem. So now I'll show you how to fix it. And this is totally, I think, I didn't know about this. So this was something that I steered you wrong on. But I think we've got a solution. So I'll show you that in the next video.